Oh, somebody said y'all wanted the tea on who bought the Bugatti. Well, what is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and this is an overdue video. You guys had asked me about who won the Bugatti Chiron at Copart, and we're gonna get into that right now. Give me just a second. Okay, got it. I wanted to make sure I said it correctly. I don't want to say it incorrectly. So this is coming from somebody that works there. Basically how it works is when a car is sold, it can either be picked up by the person who is the winning bid, or you hire a transport company to pick it up and then transport it wherever it's going to go. Very similar to like a vehicle, supposed down badge Hellcat, but it's not. A Mopar that I picked up in another state, I'm not going to pick it up. I'm going to have it shipped to me. That's kind of how that works. So this car was actually won for a client, actually. So, and this is what I don't get. The company that is on the, I guess, manifest to ship it to the UK is a company called HR Owen. Now, evidently they deal in Bugattis. Specifically, they even have a Bugatti Chiron, a 2018 with 1,000 miles on it right now for 2.5 million pounds. Now, I know you're going to say, well, what is that? Well, it's a lot more than $3 million here US. And I can look at what the exact exchange rate is. But my guess is they bought this car for a client. And here's the thing, the certificate of destruction only counts in the state of Florida or in the United States, right? So shipping that car to the UK, getting whatever parts and fixing it wouldn't be hard. And in fact, if HR Owen, and this is the company here, if it'll focus, which deals in a lot of, actually nothing but Bugattis, was to purchase this vehicle, being that they already have a Chiron, they probably could order parts for the Chiron they already have from Bugatti and use those parts to put on the burnt Bugatti. Now, I know you're going to say, TK, that's a lot of da-da-da-da, but understand the financial motive here, right? So this wasn't just a regular Chiron, this was a sport. I don't understand the different levels of Bugatti. That's not in my pay grade. I'm just keeping it a buck here. But I'm guessing it goes up, because I know they just, the newest one that I just saw that somebody was test driving or running on YouTube was doing stupid speeds and numbers, whatever, right? But this one evidently is special. So it wouldn't surprise me if HR Owen was buying this for a client. They import it to the UK. They get it back together. You know, they fix it. They fix the issues that's wrong with the car, basically replacing that whole anti-lock brake system, all the wiring harness that's melted behind the driver's side of the firewall, and fixed those issues. And the tub, if the tub is actually beyond repair, and then they sell it or they ship it to where it's going for a client. And that looks like it would probably be to the Middle East, more than likely Dubai. Now, I know you're going to say, well, why is that? Well, HR Owen, when they don't sell their Bugattis in the UK, at least for, and I did some of my own little investigative work, if you contact them and, you know, say, hey, you know, where can you ship to? They said they'll ship anywhere, right? But where do you ship the most to? Like, what countries do you deal with the most? United Arab Emirates. Ding. Come on, man. So it wouldn't surprise me that they paid 1.7 million US, right? Plus Copart fees and whatever. They're probably at 1.8 and some change. Then you're looking at transport. Let's say they're at 1.9 on this car, right? They get the car in, and then you're looking at maybe if they have a good deal or a good correspondence with Bugatti as far as parts. Let's say they're at 1.9 and they spend another $300,000 or $400,000 to fix it, right? You're at 2.3 million. Well, they're at 2.5 on one right now. And not to say that there's anything wrong with a basic Bugatti Chiron, but that's just a regular Bugatti Chiron with 1,000 miles. I don't know what the difference is. You guys can tell me what the difference is in the comments. I don't know. Okay, I don't care. I don't know. I'm just giving you the facts. So if they got it for 2.3 and it's all sorted out, they could sell that same Bugatti Chiron to somebody in the United Arab Emirates or somewhere else with a title that would be created in the UK that's probably not listed as a certificate of destruction for 3 million, 3.5, 4 million. The supercar and the hypercar market is absolutely dumb retarded right now. So it wouldn't surprise me. And this car does deal in some pretty decent cars. We have a Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport here for 1.59 million pounds. They have another Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse. I don't even know what the hell this is. 2014 for 2.85 million pounds. The thing for me is, it looks like they're selling like their basic Bugatti at over 3 million. So them getting this car, this Bugatti Chiron that's been fire damaged, and fixing it by being able to order the parts because they already have a Bugatti Chiron. Because that was the thing. Everybody's like, oh, Bugatti's not going to sell you parts. They're not going to sell you. Bugatti's not going to sell you parts. Bugatti's not going to sell you parts. It's stupid to buy it. Well, for a company that already has it, already has a Bugatti Chiron, they could order the same friggin' parts. Just like somebody like me, if I wanted a Dodge Demon Hood, and I know my buddy Kevin Van Voorhees has a Demon over in Texas. Kevin can go down to the Mopar dealership and order me the Dodge Demon Hood. Come on, man. There's ways around the bullshit talking about, well, Bugatti won't sell you parts, man. Bugatti's not going to sell you parts. This is a dealer that deals with Bugatti shit. If they bought the car for another individual in the UAE, because that's where it's going to go, then they don't have to disclose that now. Well, they have to disclose it to Bugatti, TK. Okay, whatever, man. I'm just telling you how car shit works for real, behind the scenes. So, trolls can do whatever you want, say whatever you want, I don't care. I'm just telling you where the facts is, where the car is going. And, yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to a YouTube channel. I can tell you that right now. And more than likely, unless whoever it is in Dubai that bought it has a YouTube channel, it ain't going to a YouTube channel. It's going to go to this HRO and company. They're going to buy parts for it from the other Bugatti Chiron that they have. They're going to put the freaking car together. They got it for 1.9 after fees and export and shit. And when they fix it, they're probably going to be at 2.3, let's say 2.4 million US into it. They're going to sell the damn car for probably 3.5 million and make 900,000 on it. And I know you're going to say, well, is it really worth it, TK? Is it? Yes, man. It's a fucking 900,000 or $1 million is still worth it. Yep, sure is. And I'm sure it's worth it to that company too. So anywho's, there you have it. Y'all asked, I told you I'd drop a video on it. That's the information that I have, and that's just specifically for the shipping company that is slated to pick the car up. Yeah, there you have it. Anywho's, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Be interesting to see where this car pops up with this VIN number. And I'll be checking VinWiki occasionally, and it'll be interesting to see who gets this car when it gets to wherever it's getting to. Like, I think it's going to Dubai, but what do I know? Anywho's, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Major shout out to the sponsors of today's video, LUXMobileUSA.com and Robinhood. Both of these companies have been helping me power this channel like a mofo for the whole year. LUXMobileUSA.com, coupon code TK's Garage. They're going to look out for you. My members, you know, you already got a special code in the back section there for my members only. And Robinhood, link in the description. It is holiday season. They are looking out for y'all. 3 free stocks if you sign up. They're asking you for money. You don't have to link a bank account. You have to do none of that stuff to get started. Links in the description down below. Anyways, guys, that's going to do it for me. Thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Whoopee!